I'm Rain, Avenue Ambassador. I believe I was at my prime when I won second big praiser of the PBB General. Kasi that time, that's when I found out that people loved me for who I am. And that made me confident of the values that I was bringing on with me in the house. I define my prime as to where I was the most confident, the most empowered, and the most me. I believe self-care can help me raise the most. Kasi I feel confident in my own skin. And that's why prioritizing self-care keeps me grounded and glowing. A challenge that I have faced is where I believed in others more than I can believe in myself. Na parang may kulang pa sa paniniwala sa self. And it shaped me to who I am now kasi I really embraced myself. I love me for who I am. And that's why this is me. I'm confident and I'm embracing my prime na talaga. This is Reina Johnson. To every woman that is stepping into their prime, embrace yourself. Believe in yourself and be the first person to love yourself. And enjoy every step of the way. This is my prime because I believe in myself, I love myself, and I inspire others to do the same. This time, it's